Fun with colors! Hi friends! Let's learn how to draw a rose flower. Let's begin by drawing the rose petals. Have you seen rose flowers blooming in the garden? Let's draw the stem. And this is the leaf. Do you love drawing and coloring? The rose flower is ready. Let's color with fun with colors. Let's put red color in the rose petals. Do you love flowers? I love flowers so much. They are so colorful. There are different color rose flowers. Today we are drawing and coloring a red rose flower. Rose flowers can be pink, yellow, white and many other colors. Let's put brown color in the stem. Can you tell me which color is this? Correct! This is green color. We will color the leaves with green color. Wow! It's ready! For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon.